Here's a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. The versatility and styling of a truck with the comfort and convenience of a crossover. Active noise cancellation, push-button start, cruise control, and a 60/40 split lift-up rear seat with underseat storage make this the ultimate family hauler. Enjoy the endless possibilities and exciting times with Bluetooth, an in-bed trunk with drain plug, integrated trailer hitch, and the Eco Assist system. The capability of the 3.5-liter V6 engine with the 6-speed automatic transmission is supported by safety features including hill start assist, multi-angle rear-view camera, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. When it comes to comfort and capability, this Honda works hard for you. Come in for a test drive.